Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Style Art. So today in this video I will show you how you can draw the croquis legs. So in this just watch this full video and I hope this video will help you. And once more thing I want to tell you that in this video I will show you the step-by-step procedure of how to draw the croquis leg up to the rendering. So I think this video will help you for your own guidance. So let's begin. So first I will draw the skeleton of croquis of my croquis leg. So here it's begin. So this is exactly the skeleton leg. You can get it. And also remember the distance between the upper leg and the lower leg should be equal. Okay, so always maintain the proportionate of the figure. So this is the skeleton one, and after that I will draw the robotic croquis on this figure. So this is the robotic one, and after that I will just draw the outline of the croquis legs. Just follow the lines, follow the instructions. Now I will erase the remaining one so that I can get the shape of my legs. And now I can see here is some mistake, so I will correct it. Yeah. This is the figure, croquet legs. So now I will move on to the rendering part. The color I'm using for my skin, it's the mix of these three colors. This color is from the Faber-Castell. One is the burnt ochre, second one is white, and the third one is this yellow. This ripe yellow. Okay, I think the name of this is a cadmium yellow. I think you can see it here. Okay, so I'm mixing these three colors, and after that I will get the warm tone of the skin color of the Indian figure, of the Indian skin color. So let's start. This is the color which I get. So let's begin. It is exactly the warm color which we all Indians have. So if you want to make a little bit of fairer tone of the skin color, just mix a little bit of white, or either if you want to make add more warm into it, just add a little bit of brown color, which I have shown before. So by using that, you can get the warm or the lighter tone of the color. Okay, so you can see I didn't put the color all over the body because I don't want it. I'm now mixing the color with water. Slowly move, don't rush, because it's acrylic. If you move rush, I think you will mess up the whole thing. So don't need to rush, move slowly. So here I've put the basic color. Now I will give the darker tone or the shade of my skin, so that I can give the effect of the 3D. So here I'm adding a little bit of brown. For the shadow, I will suggest you do watch more magazine, so that you can get in which parts there is more shadow, or in which part there is a less shadow, or in which part there is a highlighted one. So here you can see, here this is the inner thigh. So obviously this will be a little bit of darker tone rather comparatively to the skin color. Okay, again this is inner thigh. though it is the inner thigh, but this inner thigh is in a outer, it's under the light. Okay, so I will not put too much of darker tone here, just a little bit to show my legs, my crotch. Okay, just a little bit. Rather than, I will add a darker tone here because this outer thigh is now under the light, so obviously here the shadow will create the more. Okay, now again, this is the back of my leg, so obviously the shadow will be here more rather than the frontal part. Okay, so this is my knee, so I will also make my knee prominent. Always try to mix the color because you know acrylic is very fast and it's dry up very fast, so you have to put the color fast. Okay, so this is my knee. Again, I will put a darker tone here because this is the off the skin light, so here the color will be more darker comparatively to the other parts of the body. Okay, now I will not put so much of brown here because now this outer part of this leg is under the light, not so much of light but a little bit of light, so I will not put so much of dark tone here, rather than I will give a lighter shade of my dark tone. Okay, so here I will again make my knee prominent. Okay, so this is almost done. Now I will put some little bit of white to create, to make the highlighted parts of my croquis legs so that it looks good. Okay, now we will draw the outline of the figure for some extra finishing. You can also mark the outline with a micro tip pen, which comes with a lots of color variations, or if you're confident with a brush, we can also outline with a brush also. It's completely depends upon you. So okay. So this is done. Now I will put little bit of black here, because this is the extreme darker part of your body right now in this particular croquis. Here, here, maybe under the pant. Okay, so don't put too much of black here. Okay, so it's done. Now I will add the color on my pant. Okay, so obviously I will again put the shadow to my garments because it's very much needed. So I'm adding a little bit of black with my red color, so that obviously it will comes a maroon shade. So I will put here. Here. Now I'm adding a little bit of black here, a dash of it, a little bit, not too much. So again, I'm putting color on my on the shoes. Again, I will add the shading. It's just the previous color which I've added here. I mix a little bit of black with the red one. So this is the color it came. This is the pen which I am telling about. So here I want to add a little bit of marker pen here for the finishing. Here. Okay. Black here. Here. Yeah, this is done. Hope you like it. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.